I got a commercial license because my dad used to run an automobile agency. Swear to God, true story. Swear to God. He said, I've got a United States Senator driving my truck.
Biden just announced he wants to do all these amazing things for truck drivers. I mean, more truck parking, more pay, more everything. And the reason why he finally exposed it is because he used to have a CDL. He was one of us, is what he said. He actually tells a story of how he got his commercial driver's license and said that he actually jumped in the truck and drove another steel hauler's truck at a strike, shutting down America, fighting for the rights of truck drivers. And I'm just like, now it makes sense why he cares about truckers so much. Mother truckers, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts about this. But this is a very shocking news to me because I didn't see this coming.
Left their jobs. The workforce is getting older. Not that I am, but they are. I used to drive a truck. It's a long story. Anyway, it's getting hard. And I thought I was going to get to drive one of these suckers today. But anyway, it's another story, too. I got a commercial license because my dad used to run an automobile agency. And I used to have to go up to the body shop up in Philadelphia from Wilmington. And when they'd order a trailer or a cab, they'd sell the cab. And so I had to have a license to be able to drive it up and back. And so during the trucker strike years later, when I was a young senator, there was a guy who ran steel from Deemer Steel out to Ohio. And so I decided to ride out with him, see what it was like on the strike. And I was driving, going through Shiloh, Ohio. And his handle was Big 10. And remember, everybody, all the truck stops were being blockaded at the time during the strike. And he called. He said, Big 10 wanting to come in. I forget exactly how he said it. And the only woman truck driver I ever knew I met that day, she said, this is Big Mama, no room. Swear to God, true story. Swear to God. He said, I've got a United States Senator driving my truck. She said, I got the damn president in mind, so what? I'll never forget that. I was a very powerful guy. Anyway, that was the first woman trucker I met.